All right, so number 10. A student would most likely read this article to learn. So basically, they're asking you reader's purpose. What did you get from this? Okay, why would you read this article? This is very similar to like summarizing, okay? And you really need to look at what it is that you had to read. If it said the student would most likely read paragraphs 1 and 2, then you would only look at paragraphs 1 and 2. But this says the whole article. So you're kind of summarizing the whole article. You need to look back through and see what the entire thing was about. It is about a noisy natural wonder. You can see here, it tells you the background about a famous waterfall, Niagara Falls, tells where it's located, tells how much water pours out of it. So that's a lot of information. This section tells how the falls were formed, okay, the river rapids and eroded rock, how it's continuing to erode. So you just want to look all the way back through. Slowing erosion during the early 1900s, people started to worry about the rate of erosion. Today it erodes about an inch a year. All right, so look back through the entire thing. All right, so what did we get from this whole article? We have A, places to visit at Niagara Falls. Well, they did talk a little bit about where it was located, but is that what this whole article is about? Places to visit at Niagara Falls? No. How water forms canyons. Again, they talk about the water and the erosion in the canyons, but is that what the whole article is about? No. Information about water erosion. Well, there is a lot of information about water erosion in here, but if you look, this top part is about where it's located. So the whole thing is not about water erosion. That one's a close one, but not quite right. Facts about Niagara Falls. Well, is this whole thing about Niagara Falls? Pretty much, yes. This is all about Niagara Falls on that page. All of this is about Niagara Falls. All of this is about Niagara Falls. So the best answer is D. So you want to go to your corrections sheet. That was number 10. The STEM said a student would read this article to learn. And again, you want to pay attention to what they're asking about. You need to put in what you chose. I chose A because I saw that the beginning was about visiting places to visit. What's wrong with it? It's not the whole article. Okay, whatever you chose. Tell me why it's wrong. The correct answer is D, facts about Niagara Falls, because the whole article gives facts about Niagara Falls. It's kind of like summarizing. Strategy tip. Basically, you want to look to see what you were supposed to read and ask yourself, what did I learn? Make sure it covers the whole article if they're asking about the whole article. You might think of a better way to phrase this part. Self-assess, tell me if you feel better about it. You don't feel good about it, you're not so sure. That was number 10.